remedy about diabetes which can be achieved by paneer food. Take 10 to 15 pieces of paneer food, keep it in a glass of water, soak it overnight. In morning, filter it and take it after brushing your teeth. What is the benefit of paneer food? Paneer food works as a plant insulin, and generally what we take by tablet or injection is human insulin. Paneer food work parallelly and definitely it will decrease your sugar level naturally. Have a nice time.